Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to another Fan Feature Friday. Hope you all had an amazing week and, as always, an even better weekend planned ahead. Who do we have to celebrate this week with? We have Jim and his silver Toyota 4Runner TRD off-road. Jim is a photographer, professional photographer, so he only has a couple pictures, ironically, of the 4Runner. However, if you guys go down to his Instagram, I'll link in the description. Beautiful photography there, guys, and it's incredible. So some of the modifications he's done so far is he's blacked out the exterior lettering and emblems, LED'd all the interior lights, exterior reverse lights, and the mirror puddle lights, center console organizer, 2014 to 2018 Toyota 4Runner KC HiLites Pro 6 Lightbar up front with the Rago fab mounts for that. His high beams and low beams are Supernova V4 LEDs. He's installed the ARB Differential Breather Kit, which I really need to do still. Such an easy mod, but it's one that's very, very effective. He has RHINO USA Combo Recovery Toe Strap, 20-foot one, with the Hitch mounted shackle. His tires are BF KO2s, 275 70/17s, and he's done some 3M matte black wrap right there above the hood scoop, which is very smart to help with that glare, and also under the Toyota emblem. Some of his future modifications that he wants to do is a nice little leveling kit, like an 1.5 inch lift, and he also wants to put a full-on roof rack over the top of it, so when he goes off-roading, he can stand up there and take some killer photography shots. So, Jim, thank you again so much for sending in your 4Runner. I appreciate you saving Fan Feature Friday, even though I'm uploading this late. Guys, have a wonderful weekend, and I will catch you all, hopefully, in the next Fan Feature Friday. All right, see you guys later.